Alright, today we're going to do a demo of the Grand Rapids, or Gallmeyer Livingston, sometimes known as 350 surface grinder. This is a 3-axis automatic surface grinder. Controls are mounted on the side here to start your spindle and to start your hydraulic table. Of course, you can operate this machine by hand if you needed to, but basically you want to run this by hydraulic pressure. Right now this is doing a 2-axis movement. We're going to get to the end of our dogs that we set on the right side of the machine, and we start coming forward with the saddle. Until we get to the end of that stroke, and then it will reverse again. You can also reverse it by using this knob here. Push that in and it goes in. Pull it out and it goes out. The step is adjusted here. More lines you have showing here, the bigger of a step it makes each time. The table speed is controlled from here. That'll slow down your table. This lever here stops the saddle movement altogether. You were just doing a plunge. This is a cross feed. This is a fine feed for the cross, so you can come up against the shoulder very slowly, very finely. And then your controls over here, when we want to have wrap it up and down, we can raise this grinding wheel up, and we can raise it down. There's also a coolant tank. Now you have a 3rd axis, which is your down feed. When I start the down feed, the vertical feed, this light will come on. And if we set it in the plunge mode, this will feed at each table reversal until we come to 0. So you can see what goes on here. 2 things happen. When 1/1000th or 1/10th before 0, it will stop feeding, make a pass, and then feed the last 1/1000th. So let's watch when it gets to 0 here. Alright, there was a click. You make 1 extra pass, take your last 10th. Now it's in spark out. It'll make a number of passes, reverse, and backs up. So that's your down feed mode. You can also change the increment. You can make it so that this could feed. When it reaches 0 and it clicks out, your light goes off, so we start it again. You can change the amount of down feed here. Okay, we're back at 0 again. And we start the spark out. Works the same way in surface grinding mode, only it takes longer for the video. Also, we have an above the wheel dresser. Controls are over here. This dresser is automatic in that I come across the top of the wheel and go back again. I'm going to take another cut. See this arrow here, you want to rotate it this way, and then as you come forward, you can hear that coming off the wheel. Now there's automatic compensation on the grinder. This is a step motor up here. You're turning a step motor, getting a signal to a step motor up here, and changing moving this down. At the same time, there's another step motor connected to this whole system in the back of the machine that lowers the grinding wheel to the amount that you dressed off the wheel to equalize it, to compensate. It's called dress compensation. So there's a lever on this side. If you want to come over here to look at this, this is your actual speed. This will slow it down or speed it up. And this is the one that brings it forward. That's about all there is to it. coolant tank is mounted on the side of the machine. The hydraulics are inside. And that's about it.